Jai Hind to all. Our exercise 2.4 is going on, and in the previous class we have already done sum number 1 to 4, and today we discuss about sum number 5, and that is factorize x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. A polynomial is given and it is a cubic polynomial. For quadratic we have splitting method, but that method is not useful for the cubic polynomial. So in this polynomial, if we see carefully, we get x cube minus 2x square. In these two terms and in the last two terms minus x plus 2, we have 2 in the second term and 2 in the last term. If we take x square as common from the first two terms, then we get x at the place of x cube and minus 2 at the place of minus 2x square. And from the next two term, if we take minus 1 as common, then we get x at the place of minus x and minus 2 at the place of positive 2. Clear? According this, we get a same term in the both brackets. Further, we take common from x minus 2. If we take x minus 2 is common, we get x square from the first term and minus 1 from the second term. Then we can say that we have two factors of this polynomial, and if we get x square minus 1, we can make factors by using the identity a square minus b square x square minus 1 square is equals to a minus b into a plus b. Then by this method we get three factors of this polynomial. Clear? If we discuss about the second example, x cube minus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 is equals to f of x, is also a cubic polynomial. But in this polynomial, according to the first example, if we can take common terms like as x square or minus 1, but in this example, if we take any common term, we easily check that after taking common term we not get same term in the brackets, because we have different term 13, 32 and 20. Clear? So for solving this type of sums, the method is, firstly we find the possible factors of constant term of the polynomial. We have 20 is a constant term because here is no x with 20. Clear? So we find the factors of constant term of the polynomial. The factors of 20 are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 5, plus minus 10 and plus minus 20. After find the factors, we check that which factor is the root of this polynomial, which factor can be the root of this polynomial. If we start from 1, f of 1 is equals to 1 cube plus 13 into 1 square 13 plus 32 into 1 32 plus 20. After adding these terms we get 66. F of 1 is not equals to 0, it means 1 is not 0 of f of x. Clear? After that we check with the help of -1. Then f of -1 is equals to -1 cube plus 13 into -1 square plus 32 into -1 plus 20. -1 cube is equals to -1 and 30 -1 square equals to 1 -32 plus 20. Then we get -1 plus 13 -32 plus 20 -1 plus -32 is equals to -33, and 13 plus 20 is equals to 33. 33 minus 33 is equals to 0. F of -1 equals to 0, it means -1 is 0 of f of x. Then x minus of -1 is a factor of f of x according to the factor theorem, and x minus of -1 x plus 1 is factor of f of x. So we get a factor of this polynomial, and that is x plus 1. Clear? After it, now divide f of x by x plus 1 by long division. After that we divide the polynomial by this factor by long division method. When we divide, first term is x cube. If we divide x cube by x, we get x square. So firstly we multiply by x square, we take here x square. Clear? When we multiply x square into x, we get x cube, and x square into 1, we get x square. After changing the sign, these terms are cancelled, and 13x square minus x square is equals to 12x square. 32x plus 20, these terms are same. Now first term is 12x square. If we divide 12x square by x, we get 12x. So we take 12x. After multiplication we get 12x square plus 12x. After changing the sign, these terms are cancelled. 32x minus 12x is equals to 20x plus 20 is same. And now for 20x we take here 20, because 20 into x equals to 20x. Then 20x and 20 into 1 is equals to 20. After changing the sign, these both terms are cancelled, and the remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, then we can write this polynomial according to x plus 1 into x square plus 12x plus 20. Clear? If we divide 10 by 2, then we get 5. Then we can write 10 is equals to 2 into 5. Clear? X plus 1, x square plus 12x plus 20. These are the two factors of this polynomial. If it is a cubic polynomial, then the number of factors of this equation, this polynomial, are 3. If we get these factors, it is linear factor and it is quadratic factor. Clear? And we again factorize this quadratic equation, this quadratic polynomial, by splitting method. For this we get coefficient of x square is 1 and 1 into 20 and here is 12x. Then we split 12x into two terms, multiply of that terms equals to 20 and adding